Hey guys, Sabrina Belleci with InsideIncline.com. Here sitting on the beautiful shores of Lake Tahoe. I am here with Milena Regos. Her new business venture is Unhustle, and she's going to give us a little bit of background of herself and her business and tell us all why we need to unhustle a little bit. So Milena, what is your background? What got you into Unhustle?
My background is actually hustling. I used to hustle a lot. So I was a digital marketer. I own a marketing agency and I worked 16, 18-hour days. I had a lot of clients all around the world, slept with my phone. I was always on, always connected. And my life started to go a little bit downhill. My health started to deteriorate. My relationship wasn't that great with my husband. What else? I wasn't sleeping. I had stomach issues and it wasn't going that well. So I decided it's time for a change.
Time for a change. So how did that shift occur? What mentally happened for you to get Unhustle going?
Okay, are you ready for this?
Yeah. Ready.
Well, we decided to go on a vacation to Baja and decided to learn how to kite surf.
Ooh.
So kite surfing, I found out, is you either really focus on it or you could die.
Either or. Good options.
So, yeah, you have options. So it's an extremely mindful activity. And, you know, I've always tried to meditate or experience with mindfulness, but it wasn't until learning how to kite surf that I realized there's more to life than work.
Shocking.
And all of a sudden, I was just floating on the ocean, kite up in the air, the wind was around me, so you're basically experiencing a full body experience. And I realized that it's time to change my life and started to think of ways to do it, and Unhustle was born.
So what is Unhustle? It's a business, but it's also more of a lifestyle, correct?
It's a lifestyle for me and my husband, but it's also a business where we want to change people's lives and awaken them to the fact that there's life and work comes second. So Unhustle is about slowing life down. It's about simplifying your life. It's about being mindful in your life. It's about investing in your own well-being. So nutrition, your own biology, your own environment. It's about sleeping well. It's about disconnecting from technology and establishing some technology barriers in your life.
That's a good one. We could all use that.
We can all use that. I mean, we live in an era of information overload, so we're constantly bombarded with technology. And probably the first thing, the last thing that we do when we wake up and before we go to sleep is touch our phones. Well, I don't do that anymore. I leave my phone outside the bedroom. So one thing led to another. I decided to go into a human potential program, which is all about optimizing your biology, biohacking, sleep, mental health. And now I incorporate the coaching program with Unhustle, but it's also been a fully transformational experience for myself. So I'm living a very unhustled life at the moment. And what's actually came out of that is that because of slowing down, you get to focus more and create more meaningful work.
So when you are working, you're more focused, and because you were able to cut off and fully enjoy yourself as well, correct? Sure.
Correct. Well, when you put yourself first and you invest into that self-care routines and some practices, you actually open up more brain power and more creativity and more space.
Nice.
And so Unhustle was born that way, but also I get more creative, more productive, more meaningful work every day in short amount of time. So I think that the whole glorification of busyness and information overload and responding right away to any kind of messages that we get is overrated.
Yes. Yes, absolutely. So you do workshops for Unhustle at Tahoe.
Yes, so Unhustle is there's an online component to it and there's an offline component to it. I really believe in changing people's environment. I mean, that's how I change my life. So when you take people outside of their typical environment, so we'll do some outdoor workshops in Tahoe, starting in June actually, once a month, and then we have some retreats in Tahoe and in Baja. And I choose these two places. One, I live in these two places, and two. It's a nice place to live or vacation or come to a retreat because of all the nature around us. We have the lake, we have the ocean, we have the pine trees, we have the cordons. So there's an experiential component to Unhustle that I'd like to incorporate and tap into nature and being outside and connecting with the elements.
So also your workshops that you're doing some this fall in Tahoe?
Well, I'm starting this June actually.
Oh, this June. Okay.
Yeah, like in a week.
Nice.
Come.
Yeah, I'm coming. I'm signing up. I'll go to the one in fall.
Yeah, so they all have different themes. The one in June is on biohacking. So it's how to optimize your environment, how to optimize your sleep, light pollution, digital well-being, nutrition. We'll do some cold therapy. Then I have one on specific to nutrition. I have one specific to movement. I have one specific to cold therapy and breathing. I have one on stress minimizers. They're all on unhustle.com.
Nice. Well, what a great environment to do it here at Tahoe. I mean, we have so many resources to just get outside and be in nature, and you know, you don't fully need to check out because we have cell service and everything else, right? But just like you said, kind of training yourself, right? Training yourself to really listen to your body and to tap in.
It's baby steps, and good habits are formed with practice. And so baby steps and doing one thing at a time and incorporating some little tweaks to your day each day to where you can be fully present and fully aware in your day and accomplish so much more than going from Instagram to Twitter to LinkedIn to Facebook to Pinterest all day long.
Meetings, to emails, to absolutely. So you mentioned cold therapy. So we're going to do a little bit of cold therapy today.
I'm excited. Let's do it.
So what are the benefits of cold therapy?
Benefits of cold therapy are, well, for one, for entrepreneurs, it's great in terms of willpower because it trains your mind to do things you may not want to do. But then you're also decreasing your inflammation, boosting your immune system, decreasing stress, boosting your cardiovascular system, improving your mitochondria, and the little powerhouse cells in your body that really control everything that you do.
Nice.
There's a lot of benefits to it.
What are ways you can do cold therapy?
Well, the easiest is a cold shower.
Yeah, most accessible probably.
Most accessible, super easy to do, and it only takes a minute or two at the end of your normal shower, and you can start super slow, like with 5 seconds. Just at the end of your shower, turn the shower to cold, and enjoy it. The first few days are probably not gonna be enjoyable. After that, you're probably gonna start really looking forward to it.
Okay.
Then Tahoe, of course, is an easy way to practice that.
We're gonna
my last swim in Tahoe was in November.
November? That's cold therapy.
Yeah.
So you can see there's snow on the mountains. So we're gonna go and do some cold therapy, and I'll have Milena walk me through all the health benefits and how to properly do it.
Let's do it.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
for my first cold water therapy session. Thanks so much to Milena Regos. Tell them where they can find you.
Unhustle.com or on social media at Unhustle Experiences. And I hope to see you guys all in Tahoe in June for our first experiential workshop.
Awesome. So until next time, we'll see you next time, guys. Take care.
Stay unhustled.
Lake's really cold.